This video is sponsored by A&M ACT. Welcome back to my channel. We're going to continue with April 2023. We have number 48 here. And 48 can be very confusing. The realization is most students do not, first of all, like to deal with variables without any numbers. Secondly, you're looking at fractions, so that's the other thing you hate. So you're going to have to know that the LCD of this, if you're going to do it the hard way, is A plus B, and then you'd have to know that it is A minus B. You'd also have to know that this means that this is going to be A minus B multiplied. This is going to be multiplied by A plus B. This is going to be multiplied by A minus B. So, and then you have to FOIL it, and a lot of other things. So I did on the next page, I'm going to show you what this looks like when you do it this way. But I want you to try something for me. I want you to pick two numbers, any two numbers, and plug them into all of those. The good news is once you plug them in, you can use your calculator at that point. So in other words, you're going to get a fraction, you're going to add it to whatever this fraction is to this fraction. And then you're going to get a decimal of some sort. And what I want you to do is I want you to take into these 5 and plug in the A and the B with your calculator. Do it just like it is on the board. And make sure you put parentheses around these if you're going to put them all together. And see what your answer gets. Okay, so I want you to pause the video and try that just to see if you get the same thing I do. So I used 3 and 4. And I ended up with 3 over 7, so I put 3 and 4 in here. 3 over 7 plus 4 over negative 1 plus negative 1 over 7. And I ended up with this negative 26 over 7, or you can barely read it over there, negative 3.714 ... So I went through all of these, and here's what I got as answers for it, and I did end up with H as my answer. It's another option for you. So if you're not sure what the heck is going on, you do have the option of what's called creating it real, or making it real. And that helps a lot. If you wanted to solve it this way, I did show you the work that goes involved in that. You'd have to distribute that A, you'd have to distribute the B, you would have to FOIL this out, which gives you A squared minus 2AB plus B squared. And if you are good in math and you have no problem, this is a great way to go because you know you're going to get the right answer. These two here cancel each other out. I end up with 2A squares, 2B squares, and 2ABs, or negative 2AB. And hence why if I factor out a 2, I get this. On the other hand, when I put that in there and I used a 3 and a 4, I got 2 times. And in my case, I used 3 for A, so I go 3 squared. And minus, and then I would have 3 times 4 plus, and then I would have 4 squared all over 3 squared minus 4 squared. And when I plug that in my calculator, I end up getting this negative 3.714 ... which is exactly what I wanted to get. So those are your two options. It depends on how you yourself and how well you work on that calculator and how well you know your math. But there are usually several different ways of getting an answer. So give me a thumbs up if you like this and subscribe to my channel for more of these. You have a great day and I'll see you next time. At A&M ACT Prep, we offer small classes. Visit our website, amactprep.wordpress.com, for more information and to register for our upcoming classes.